In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a diagram from an Excel spreadsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple list or table into a clear visual using SmartArt, which is Excel's built-in tool for quick, professional diagrams. Before we begin, have your spreadsheet open and think about what you want to visualize. Maybe a short list of items, a step-by-step process, or a simple hierarchy. This helps you pick the right layout in one go. Start by going to the ribbon at the top of Excel and clicking Insert. The ribbon is the toolbar that groups commands by task, and Insert is where Excel keeps all the objects you can add to a sheet, like charts, images, and, in our case, SmartArt graphics. Clicking Insert gets you into the place where you can add a diagram without changing your underlying data. Next, click SmartArt. You'll find this in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. SmartArt is designed for quick visuals, no complicated setup required. When you click it, a gallery opens with categories along the left. This is where the fun begins. Now, select a diagram. In the SmartArt gallery, browse the categories and pick a layout that matches your content. Use List for simple bullet-style items, Process for steps in order, Cycle for loops, Hierarchy for org charts or levels, Relationship for comparisons, and Matrix or pyramid for structured groupings. As you click each layout, you'll see a preview and a short description to help you decide. Choose something that makes your information clearer, not just what looks flashy. If you change your mind later, you can pick a different layout without starting over. With the layout inserted into your sheet, it's time to type text. Click directly inside each shape and type the labels from your spreadsheet. Keep them short and meaningful so the diagram stays readable. If your data is in a list, go through it row by row and add the text where it belongs. For a process, type each step in order. If you have fewer items than the diagram provides, just leave the extra shapes blank. If you have more, pick a layout with more placeholders or a style that adapts well to multiple entries. As you type, Excel will fit the text into each shape, so focus on clarity over length. That's it. You've turned spreadsheet entries into a clean visual. If the layout doesn't communicate your message well, simply open the SmartArt gallery again and choose a different style until it clicks.